In this video, I will explain how to use journals to document children's music thinking in the early childhood setting. I am confident that you are familiar with the practice of documenting children's thinking, allowing children the freedom to communicate ideas and thoughts graphically through pictures. The idea is that the child has something to say, something to communicate, and we want to instill in the child the notion, the idea that their ideas matter. And they may not be able to write words, they do have ideas to share. Using this basic idea, I came up with a music journal where the space in the middle, the rectangle, is a place where children can draw a picture. They could have graphic notation for high and low pitches. They could write words or lyrics to a song. They can do any doodles they want to capture their idea. And then when I'm one-on-one with the child, or if it's a small group, the children, I ask them to sing their song, chant their words, and I will notate that on the music staff at the bottom. Graphic notation at the top, pictures, symbols, whatever it is, the actual music notation that is handwritten by me at the bottom. The handwritten notation is analogous to a word. Basically, that is it in a nutshell. Your questions and comments are welcome. Please add them to the comment section below. Take care. Bye-bye.